Welcome guys. In this video I'm just going to go over basics of condition statements, like if else statements. So to start, I created these variables x, y, and test. We'll get to test later, but for x I initiated it to 25 and y to 20. So in this while statement I put while x is greater than y, print out x is greater than y, and iterate the y value by 1. So while this statement right here is true, it's going to execute the code inside the while statement. So we can see that it goes through and it prints x is greater than y 5 times until y becomes equal to x, and then this becomes false. So it exits out of this while statement and it prints this x is equal to y. And we see that here. And so for this second part, this is just chaining if-else statements. So I put the test variable in here, and I wanted to see if it was equal to 1, 2, 3, or 4, or if it was greater than 4. So I put if test is equal to 1, print variable is equal to 1. If the test is equal to 2, print variable is equal to 2, and so on, until we got to this last else statement. If it was just greater than 4, it would just print it's greater than 4. And so the control went here, and it said this is false, so go here. Don't do anything in here, because this is false. If this was true, it would execute this code in here. But since this is false, go here. This is false, so it's going to go here. This is false, so it's going to go here. And then since this is true, it says, oh, okay, let's go in here and execute this code. And it prints out variables equal to 4, as we can see right here. And that's pretty much the quick rundown of if-else statements and conditional execution.